You guys, this is my natural hair, right? And this is the lace. Are you seeing how this thing is blending so well? Like, see this part. This one even, just look here. Look at this part. Are you seeing how it blended so well? I think this is the lace. Is it? Yeah. This is the lace. Just look at the blend. Look at how it's looking so nice. It's giving efforts. Today's wig is from Nadula Hair. Okay, so this is the wig texture. Like I said, it's a water wave wig. Look at how my fingers are just running through. This is such a good texture, you guys. And just look at how it has already been styled for you guys. It has been styled to perfection. Don't need to do too much with this wig. Just look at those. Look at the plucking. Okay, look at the lace. Look at the plucking. It's HD lace and it is a pre-everything lace. Okay, just wear and go. Like proper wear and go. It's a 7x5 closure and it has already been bleached, and you know, the lace has been cut and it has been styled and plucked to perfection. It's an easy wig. Trust me when I tell you that it is an easy wig. It comes with this stretchy cap that is also breathable. Okay, you guys know that in summer it gets hot and you know wigs can get really uncomfortable, but this cap is quite breathable, so you know you're not going to feel so hot in your head. It came with this extra elastic band for you to secure it very well to your head. It came with a comb, and the cap also has this cutout. Can you guys see this cutout? It also has this cutout to help it stay on your head and lay really flat. Just look at that hairline, you guys. Look at the hairline, look at the pattern, see how realistic it looks, and see how it's blending so well with my skin tone. I like it. So let me just go ahead now, put it on my head, and we'll see how it looks. This looks nice, nice. This looks really nice. This looks really nice. I like it. So let me just go ahead now and blend the edges just a little bit so that I can put it on my head, and then we'll continue working on it. You guys, can you see this? Can you see that blend? Can you see this hairline? This is such a wear and go wig, you guys. I feel like I say this every time I'm wearing a Nadula hair. Like, it is such a wear and go wig. I like wigs like this that will not stress your life. You're not trying to blend it or to shape it or to anything. It just works, okay? It just works. And because this is a 7x5, it's giving frontal, even though it's not a frontal. It's literally giving frontal. Like, by the time I finish styling it now, you guys are going to see how it's going to look like a frontal. So I'm pretty excited. So I'm not going to do much to it, to be honest. Like I said, this is a pretty easy wig. What I'm going to do is just spray some mousse at the edges and just slick it back, and then I will work on the curls a bit. Even though the curls look good, like they're already fluffy, they're already bouncy, they're already nice, but I'll just work on them a little bit just to make them pop some more. But you guys, if you like this wig, if you want to get this wig, the link and details, everything is going to be in the description box, so you go and check it out. Okay, like, trust me, if you have ever bought any wig I've recommended from Nadula Hair, you know that they are very good. Okay, I always tell people, when people come and mix me and say, oh, I know you review wigs, but which particular one do you like very well? I'm like, I can't really say, but if you want like good frontal, good coily hair, go to this brand, you know, go to that brand. So anytime I've recommended Nadula hair, people have always loved it. And the hair is quite full. You guys see the texture. You guys, this is my natural hair, right? And this is the lace. Are you seeing how this thing is blending so well? Like, see this part. This one even, just look here. Look at this part. Are you seeing how it blended so well? I think this is the lace. Is it? Yeah. This is the lace. Just look at the blend. Look at how it's looking so nice. It's giving effort, even though I didn't put much effort into it. It's giving serious effort. Anyway, so this is liquid mousse. I'm using it to tame all the flyaways and just blend the lace a little more, and to maintain the style they've already done, because these people have already styled this hair. So trying to maintain the style some more. I'm going for a very clean hairline. Okay, very clean one. So I've brushed out the hair. Just look at how fluffy and full this hair is. Like, this hair is really long and really full, okay? So now I'm going to tame it back with some water and some conditioner and some mousse, and then I'll diffuse it and we'll see what it's going to look like. Alright guys, I'm done styling this wig. This wig is very secure on my head. Like, it's very nice, very good, very beautiful. And I'm wearing it glueless, okay? Can you guys tell that this is actually glueless? Yep. But it looks so good. It has been styled to perfection. I love the curls. Can you see the curls? So nice and so lovely. Anyway guys, the link to this wig and all the details are in the description box. I hope you guys like it. So you can style it in different ways. You can even style it up like this. To leave the link and all the details in the description box. It is from Nadula Hair 7x5 pre-everything, table cap, perfect summer wig. The way I packed it up now, I can go out in the sun for hours. Even if you let it down, you can, but you know, it looks so nice and it looks like I put in a lot of effort, even though it came already styled, already good to go. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.
Nadula.